Hello, and welcome to another and very rare edition of Cooking with the Man. Now, first thing you might ask is, what the hell is he concocting in his laboratory called his kitchen tonight? And, well, actually, if you read the title, you would know. But you might ask, how the hell is he doing this anyway? And I will show you. So, as we see here, we have some patties. Half of them have minced garlic, half of them have chopped onion. And that's those seasonings right there. Yes, I realize we're doing meatballs, not burgers, but just bear with me. So, here's the idea. You sprinkle one side with chopped onion, the other side with minced garlic, you flip them, etc., etc. Then, before we even do anything else, we're gonna put some medium cheddar cheese in there. Yeah, some cheddar cheese in there. Then we're gonna fold them up into tiny little balls. Then, when all that is said and done, we're gonna get some strips of bacon, line that up with more cheddar cheese, then wrap the balls with the bacon. So, I'm not sure if you're following me here. So for that reason, I'm actually just gonna do a snap of my fingers. And thanks to the beauty that is video editing, oh my god, I realize how blank this wall is right now. I should probably put some paintings there, to be honest. But thanks to the beauty that is the magic of Mad Wolf, namely video editing. Now we have these things. We're gonna stab them with these. So we're gonna put 2 meatballs on each stick. This whole time I've been having the oven preheat at 400 degrees, and the idea is I'm gonna have it cook for 15 minutes, probably 20 minutes, then turn it over, cook it for another 20 minutes. And you might ask, but why? Truth is, I've never done this before. I've never cooked meatballs, and I've especially never seen anybody cook them in the oven. So I want to make sure the bacon is thoroughly cooked, as well as the hamburger. So that way, cook it a little bit longer, and the meat should be pretty good. So yeah, 20 minutes, flip it, 20 more minutes, should be done. So yeah, I'm just gonna stab these and stick them in the oven. Alrighty, so it's been a little under 40 minutes. The reason why I'm kind of pulling it out early is my cookie sheet is kind of getting greasy. Let me turn on this light here. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it. Doesn't that look appetizing? At least none of it's dripped. So I put that second cookie sheet down just in case any of it drips out. I soaked some of it earlier when I flipped it over. But yeah, I'm gonna pull these out. And let's see. I'm probably gonna drizzle some more cheese on there just because I'm like, you know, it's melted a lot of cheese. It's soaked out. So I'm gonna put some more cheese on there. But no, I've never eaten one of these, so this is gonna be interesting. Doesn't that look yummy? So I'm not trying to, be scary or anything. Like, I'm not scared of this, but I'm trying to let it cool down at least a little bit. I do want to say an idea I got. The idea for this is Arctic here and I. We watch Stoned Gremlin Productions, Cinema Snob, and lately we've been watching a lot of state tries, like the state Brad tries the state fair, not state tries. And what they did one in, I think it's Springfield, Illinois. He's somewhere back east, but they tried the downtown bacon throwdown, and it was bacon wrapped. They did have bacon wrapped meatballs. They don't look anything like this, but they also had
bacon Bloody Mary.
They had bacon Bloody Mary, but they also had bacon wrapped macaroni and cheese, which I thought that actually sounded really good, and I do want to try that one too.
Yeah.
But I kind of combined the two ideas together. So, switching hands here because I'm right-handed. But yeah, so here it goes. This is Mad Wolf tries a bacon wrapped meatball. Look at that meatball. Bacon wrapped meatball. wall for the very first time. And hopefully I don't die. It's good. You've had sausage spaghetti stuff, right? The
Yeah.
casserole. Kind of tastes like that.
Hmm.
Probably because of all the cheese I dumped in there. Oh crap! It's all falling apart now. You don't have to do apple smoked bacon.
No,
You
no.
could go ahead and have some if you want. See what she says. This is like a vegetarian's nightmare, by the way.
Mm.
It does not taste like a cheeseburger at all.
Mm-mm. No, but that is really interesting.
Yeah. Like, I mean, eating bacon, you taste the bacon, obviously. Oh man, it's crispy. I don't typically like bacon. I'm a sausage person. But, I've never eaten it out of the oven. Mm. That is good. I like that. Took about maybe an hour and a half to make.
Yeah.
Now you awesome people get to know how to make it too. And hamburger's not raw. That's really good. Greasy. But yeah, it's really good if you guys want to try that. I'm probably gonna have another one. Also, before I leave, shout out to Painted Dog. She's an awesome artist who came across one of my art Twitch streams. And she's back here on Patreon. For $1 a month, she's getting early access to some of my art, and she's getting excerpts from my books. So that's only for $1 a month. And she's also getting shout outs in these videos. If I get more Patreons, I will definitely just pull up a list, because I can't just, well, maybe I can do like a credit roll thing. This is definitely going on my Patreon, though, for anybody who wants to do something like this. And, yeah. So, you guys have a good night.